All right, hi everyone. This is the demo on how to make your armature for your masks. So you're gonna need a plastic bag, Target bag, Walmart bag, any sort of thin grocery bag works fine, dollar store or whatever is fine. If it has a hole in it, it's okay. A few little holes are fine. And then if you open up some newspaper, you can use paper towels. But I find newspaper kind of works the best. You're going to open it up like you're reading it to the middle, and then you're going to tear down the middle. And then I also tear the short way. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect tears. It's not that big of a deal. We're just going to make these into paper balls. So I do this 3 or 4 times. Then you're going to take your smaller pieces of newspaper, crumple them up into spheres, little balls of paper, and stuff them into the plastic bag. Smaller pieces of paper allow you to kind of smush and adjust the size of the armature and the shape of it. So you want to fill your bag up completely until it is pretty full. Let's see. I guess I got to do a couple. I'm just going to make sure the screen is showing. Okay. With your mask, I wouldn't make anything too huge. If it's bigger than your head, it might be a little too big. But with the masks, you can make animals, you can do human figures, you can do mythological creatures. I ask that you have some sort of lyric or poems or parts of a song, saying, to kind of guide your imagery. So I don't want you to copy a mask that you've seen off the internet. Come up with your own design. Once I have my newspaper stuffed, I squeeze out the air. And you want to make sure your armature is strong so that it can hold the weight of the clay. I probably will put a few more pieces of newspaper in here, but for the demo, we'll call it good. I twist the back and tie a knot. And that's how you make your armature. The armature is like the skeletal structure of your mask. Now I can take some tape and I can shape it and squeeze it if I want more of a round face or a round shape. If I want more of a human shape, I can use some tape to shape it. If this bothers you also, you can cut that off as well. So that is the first step after you do your research and designing, is to create your armature. And again, make sure it's strong enough to hold the weight of the clay so it doesn't flatten out.